Kapsao butter beads. I don't know what that is. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I do all sorts of unboxings like it says over there, and a lot of beauty stuff. So I do have something today. It is my Sephora Play box for July 2018. I thought I'd open it with you guys. Last month I got one that I really liked, and so I'm excited to get this one. Hopefully I like it. I don't know, we'll find out. So we've got the card here, and every box always comes with a card that says 50 extra beauty points when you buy online usually. Every once in a while you can do it in the store, but it's usually online. So there's that. This is a fold out thing that has all of the information about the products inside. The bag is kind of boring this month. I really liked my bag last month. It was very kind of 80s kind of themed. And this one just says Sephora Play. It's almost like they ran out of bags. I don't know. I like the ones that have fun stuff on them. And this one's just kind of boring. But let's go inside and see what we've got. First thing we have is a Tarte Blush in Tarte with 3 A's. That's a very pretty color. I think I can definitely use that. There it is right there. I do really like these Amazonian clay blushes. So I actually regularly use one that's called Feisty that's a little bit warmer than this, but I could see myself using this a lot. So good start. Next we have a card. Perfume sample. Perfume. Oh, is it perfume? Oh, I don't know. Essence, yeah, it's concentrated, oh no, it's not perfume. Concentrated brightening essence, first step to fighting against dark spots. I don't really have any dark spots unless you count my freckles as dark spots, but you never know. Oh, that smells like, I don't know what it smells like. It smells like chemicals. I don't know what's in here. Fruit water, grape water, citrus. I don't smell any citrus in it. But this is by Caudalie. Caudalie, here's the card here. And it is, I don't know how many ounces. It looks like it's about a ½ ounce. Oh, I was way off. It's 0.16 fluid ounces. And it might be something I can use. I don't really have any dark spots. So, I don't know. We'll see. Next, we've got Pharmacy. And this is Pharmacy Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer with Echinacea, Green Envy Honey, or Green Envy? Green Envy Honey. So that sounds nice and natural and happy. Delivered fresh, a long-lasting lightweight moisturizer combining Echinacea, Green Envy Honey, triple hydro... I can never say that word. Hyaluronic. Triple hyaluronic acid, complex, and Kapsao butter beads. I don't know what that is. It looks like it is sealed. It actually smells nice. It smells really fresh and looks like it's very, very full. It feels really nice. It feels like my skin is really soaking it up. So that's a good thing. And I think we've got 2 more things in here. Oh, I feel actually 3 more things, but one is a foil pack. And it's Brio Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Shampoo. I do really like this brand. I don't like foil packs. I don't like them at all. I feel like there's not a whole lot of shampoo in this, so hopefully it'll be okay. But I do really like that brand. 2 more things in here. Bite Agave Lip Mask. Very, very, very cool. I really love Bite products. I have quite a few. It smells really sugary, which is really nice. It feels very sticky, but it is a mask, so it's something that you would put on and rinse off, so I can use that too. So far, so good. We've got 1 more, and that is Ren Evercalm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. It looks like it's about full to there, so that's pretty good. And I am pretty excited about this too. It says you can use it 3 times a week or anytime your skin is in need of urgent rescue. Love doing masks. I do one like at least 2 or 3 times a week. So I can add this kind of into the rotation. I can't really smell anything. Oh, there we go. It smells like plants. It smells like plants. Sephora Play is $10 a month and you get all sorts of fun stuff. So I always think that it's usually worth it. Last month was a great month. This month is pretty decent. So I got 6 products, which is nice. Usually you get 5. And this is probably a bonus product here. The nice thing about Sephora Play is that all of the products that you get, you can find at Sephora.com. So if I really, really liked something, I can go ahead and reorder it, or I can go into a Sephora store and pick it up myself. And that's it, and thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification so you know every time I upload something. We'll see you again next time. Bye!